My next one. Oh, yes, Jaylene. Okay, well, tell me the first part, Jaylene. How many pieces do I shade in?
9.
9. Okay, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Now, Jaylene, you say you know the rest, right? So help me out with the fraction 2. What should my fraction be?
9 and then the 9 and then 10.
Okay, 9 over 10, or 9 out of 10, or 9/10. Good job so far, Jaylene. Now, who can help me finish this? I know I'm going to need a decimal, but what decimal could I write that would match my fraction? Violet, what do you think?
0.9.
0.9. Very good, because the 10 is telling me to use the 10th place, and the 9 tells me what to put there. 9. 0.9, because I do need to use that 0 to fill in the blank spot. Okay. I think number 4 can be kind of tricky, but let's see. It's okay, Chase. Number 4 says 8/100. How many pieces do I need to shade in? How many pieces are they asking me to shade in for problem 4? Christopher, how many pieces are they asking me to shade in for problem 4?
8.
8. So I'm going to shade in 8 little squares, and only 8 little squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's my 8 squares. Okay, what about my fraction? What should my fraction be that would match my model? Jaylene, what fraction do you think would match my model?
8 over 100.
8 over 100. Okay, we're doing great so far. What about my decimal? My denominator, the 100, tells me that I need to use the hundredths place. So I need 2 place values after the decimal. But if I look, my numerator is only one number. So what should I put? Violet?
0.08.
Fantastic, Violet. 0.08. I have to put this second 0 because I need it to go all the way to the hundredths place. If I put the 8 here, that's 8/10. But I don't have 8/10. I have 8/100. So that other 0 is just there to kind of shove it over into the hundredths place. So 0.08. Awesome work, Violet. I want you to try to figure out 5 and 6 on your own. I'm going to show you the model, but then I want you to try to figure it out on your own. Then I'll show you the answers. So for number 5, our model should look like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And for problem 6, 52 hundredths means I shade in 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, and then 2 little squares. And I want you to try to come up with the fraction and the decimal that match. Then we'll check together. Problem number 5. Here's our model. Who can tell me, what do you think the fraction should be for number 5? Kylie, what should my fraction be for number 5? Okay. Almost. Not 5. Violet?
6.
Oh, there we go. 6. So 10 is the denominator. 6 is my numerator. All right. Who can tell me the fraction, or sorry, not the fraction. We just did that. The decimal for number 5. Alexa, decimal, number 5. What should I get? Very good. 0.6. Okay. And for number 6, who can give me my fraction? What should my fraction be for number 6? Who can tell me, what do you think the fraction should be here? Violet? Okay. Very good. So 100 is my denominator. 52 is my numerator. Jada, you think you can help me out with the decimal? What should my decimal be for number 6? If my fraction is 52 out of 100, what should my decimal be? Okay, who can help Jada out? What should the decimal be for number 6? Alexa, what do you think? .52. Exactly correct. Remember, the numerator, the top number, that's what goes after the decimal. So since 52 is my numerator, 52 goes after the decimal. The denominator tells you the place values. If my denominator is 100, I need to use the 10th place and the 100th place to write it. And since there's nothing in front of my fraction, there's nothing in front of my decimal.